80% of your success depends on your ability to communicate with confidence and authority, and 20% is just about technical skills. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 super awesome techniques that will help you speak with confidence and authority. And you know what is the best part? The best part is you can instantly apply now. Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication specialist. So if you're new to this channel talks about success, communication, mindset and living your best possible life. So if you are new, do subscribe to the channel and do hit the notification bell so that you do not miss my weekly videos. So we are talking or we are communicating. We are talking all the time. We are not communicating. So what is the difference between talking and communication? Well, talking is just blah 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 blah, whereas communication is that there is a reason because of which you're talking, there is a goal that because of which you're talking, there's something that you want to achieve from the conversation, because of that you are talking. And today when we talk about business, it's all about your time and energy that you're putting in. So every day in your professional setting, you are communicating to people. Or are you talking? You are talking. You need to communicate. So how you can speak in a way that shows that you're very confident, how you can speak in a way so that it shows that you have that authority. Well, let me start with the secret number 1. The first secret is making a good eye contact. So right now, can you see I am looking at the cameras, right? I'm making that eye contact with the camera. So you are feeling as if I'm talking to you, right? But what if I start looking here and there and then I speak to you? Will you feel that connect? Not really, right? So eyes are the window of the soul, and eyes, when you make that eye contact with the person, you are able to connect better with them. I have seen the biggest mistake that people do when there is a lack of confidence. They look here and there. When you make eye contact, you show your confidence. Your confidence is reflected by the way you look into the eyes of other person. At the same time, you know what? When you're not confident, you will not maintain that strong eye contact. Right? Now the question is, how do you maintain this eye contact? People find it very difficult to maintain that eye contact. I totally understand from where you're coming. So I'll tell you an easy hack that's going to help you make a good eye contact. See, when you are meeting to anyone, just focus on the first thing you observe. By default, we observe the looks of person, right? So just observe and look into the eyes of person. When you shake hand, just look into the eyes, okay? When you are saying their name, let's say the person has introduced himself. Hi, my name is Raj. Just say hi, Raj. And when you say this, just maintain that eye contact. Now here you have to be very careful. You have to make eye contact. You don't have to stare. That is very important. So here what you do is, most of the time you're looking into the eyes of the person. You can say 60 or 70% of the time, not 100% of the time. Rest of the time you can look here and there. Most of the time when you're talking to the person, if you focus on the eyes of the person, automatically you will be able to maintain that good eye contact. And you might have also seen that when you are, let's say when you really like somebody, you know what happens? You automatically like to see that person more, right? At the same time, if you do not like anybody, what do? You are like, nay, I don't want to even see that person. It happens automatically, right? So this is the power of eye contact. So use this hack immediately, and if you're going to use this hack, just type in the chat box, I'm going to use it. Secret number 2 is powerful dressing and grooming. Now, do you know that the first thing you observe in anyone is from far the way they look, their appearance, okay? That speaks a lot, okay? What they are wearing, how they are carrying themselves is very important. In fact, more than what you're wearing, how you carry that becomes much more important. You have seen a lot of celebrities, they wear amazing dresses. But is that the point, that they wear amazing dresses, or it is about how they even are able to carry those dresses beautifully? You can wear amazing dress, but if you're not able to carry that, it's such a turn off for a lot of people, right? At the same time, dress is something that shows your authority and confidence, okay? Like if anybody is wearing a coat, you will all of a sudden feel, oh my god, this some person, you know, is an authority level and I have to be, you know, more careful. If somebody is you know, wearing let's say something very casual, you tend to have some opinion about that person. Dress do reflect your personality. It does reflect your confidence. It does reflect your authority. So how do you dress? How do you groom yourself? The first and the most important thing is you should dress in something that's very comfortable. Okay, if you're wearing something and if it is not comfortable, no, it's going to be turn off, because your entire attention is going to go on what you are not able to handle it. Number two, you should wear dresses that makes you feel good. Okay, even let's say you're wearing a t-shirt, even if you're wearing a shirt, okay, and when you wear that, you know, the dress, when you feel something, you know, whenever you wear anything, just ask yourself, how do I feel? Do I feel good? If you feel good, that is the dress for you. The third thing is culture. Dress as per the culture, dress as per the occasion. Okay, let's say you are in a culture, office culture, which is very cool kind of culture. Even if you wear shorts, it's totally cool. Great, do that if you also like to wear shorts. If you're going in a very important meeting and there are a lot of international clients that are coming, there are a lot of senior executives they are coming, so here it is a very good that you wear something really formal with blazer and all, that shows your authority. Let's say you are in a office party, there it is a very good idea that you wear something like semi-formals, or you know, as per the organization. So I remember when I used to do a lot of corporate trainings in the past, if I'm going in IT company, I used to wear something really smart, something Western, because their culture is more open, because they deal with US clients and all. But at the same time, you know, if I'm going in manufacturing firms, I used to dress in a bit conservative way. I used to wear that coat and all, full trouser, complete packed dress. Why? Because it's as per the culture. If over here in manufacturing company, if I'm going to wear a skirt, it's going to be a disaster. Okay, so here you have to understand that as per your culture, if you're going to dress, it's going to show your confidence, and it's also going to exhibit your authority in the best possible way. Are you going to apply this? Share your answers in the comment below. The third secret that I want to give you: use two words more often when you communicate to people. The first one is please and the other one is thank you. Now these are very simple words, but let me tell you, it's very rare that people use this. So when you are asking something for anyone, rather than even saying, can you give me a pen, it's always better to say, please give me a pen. Please, can you do this for me? Please, may I request you to, you know, share the file by end of the day. Because it shows that you are courteous, okay, and you're requesting. And please, the second word that is my favorite, and that is thank you. Oftentimes we take a lot of things for granted even in our life, right? But thank you is a beautiful word. It shows gratitude to the universe. In professionally, you can say thank you for little things. Thank you for waiting for me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for connecting to me. Thank you, it was amazing connecting to you. Thank you for taking this product from me. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for your cooperation. Yeah, every day you get a lot of support from people, right, at the professional setting. So if you say them thank you, you acknowledge them, and when you acknowledge them, people want to do that more for you. Okay, so use this please and thank you more often. Yeah, and if you're going to use this, share your answer in the comment box. The fourth secret is energy. You know, when you're talking to people, okay, people can feel your vibe. What is that vibe? It's the energy. So let's say right now, if I'm talking, you know, I'm really happy when I'm recording this video because I'm doing something that I really enjoy doing. But let's say if I'm recording it in a way, okay guys, so I'm going to tell you about two things. Oh my god, most of you are going to fall asleep, right? So what is it that I'm doing differently? I'm speaking with energy. Okay, so energy is what? Your emotion. You're enthusiastic about it, you're passionate about it, you love something about it. So there's automatic the energy that comes when you even speak. Okay, so you can't see, but you can feel my energy, right? So when you're speaking with confidence, confidence and authority, it's very important that you exhibit that energy. Okay, you have to feel good, you have to feel enthusiastic, you have to feel amazing, you have to have a reason, that you say, oh my god, if I'm going to give this, it's going to change lives of people. Something should drive you from within. Have that energy, and then when you're going to speak, people can feel that, and you know what, that's what's going to pull people towards you, and it's going to be super awesome and magnetic. Okay, so it's all about energy. So are you going to be more energetic now while you speak? If yes, share your answer in the comment box. I would love to read them, and do hit thumbs up to this video so that it reaches out to maximum people, guys. Okay, the last secret that I want to give you is super simple, easy, and very effective, and that is about having an open body language, which comprises of 55% of the communication. Okay, a lot of times, even if people are not saying anything, just looking at their body language, you understand, right? The person is happy, the person is sad. Let's say if you go in any cafe, okay, let's say, and you sit there, you can see people are conversing, right? A lot of people are conversing. So you can see, okay, these are the happy people, these people are fighting. Although you might not be able to speak to them, they're not talking to you, but still you can see that, even from their body language, you can see it. So that's the power of body language. So body language can either be open or it can be closed. Okay, so automatically when you are confident as a person, okay, your head held high, you're straightly looking to the eyes of person, your shoulders are straight and your back is straight, your palms are open. Okay, that is open body language. So here you automatically show amazing confidence. And if you are confident, automatically you will have open body language. At the same time, if you're very nervous, if you're overthinking, if you do not believe in yourself, if you have more doubts, a lot of anxiety, automatically your shoulders will droop up, you will not like to see to other people, and your palms will not be very much open. Okay, so here, if you want to really be very confident, if you want to show that authority, you have to have open body language, and the best is open palms, good eye contact, a head nod, shoulders straight. If you have this, automatically it will be shown, it will be depicted that you are a very confident personality. I hope, guys, that this video has helped you. If yes, then I'd like to invite you to be part of my upcoming workshop, wherein in 2 hours I'm going to share some of the amazing secrets that are going to help you become amazing communicators. So click on the link below in the description, join the workshop, and I'll be more than happy to add value in your life. You can also be part of my programs. All the details of my programs are there in the description below. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.